guys, it is Jaden and welcome back to my channel, Extra 50 Threads. If you were here for Wednesday's video, then you know we are distressing the cut-off shorts that I made out of my thrift store jeans. I will link that video right up here for you guys so that you can go check it out if you want to. But yeah, go on ahead and hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get in how to distress our jeans or shorts at home. Alright guys, so the great thing about this is you really only need a few items. You need the jeans or shorts you're going to be distressing, or denim in general, some scissors, a razor, a box cutter, anything that has a blade that you can just cut a line into your denim with, and then some tweezers. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so a dryer is going to be your best friend. You just wash and dry these, and already they're going to fray a ton. Look at where they're already fraying, so that's great. So just to kind of add a little bit more, the first thing I'm going to do is take my scissors and really just fray them like that. You just want to get in there with them and fray them out a little bit more. Or if you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can even take your tweezers and just going ahead and picking at the white little threads in there and fraying it that way. And you really want to decide what you're going to do. I am going to be rolling these up one, so I want them just a little frayed. I don't want anything crazy. Okay, so I got a bunch of little frays out of this. When I put them in the washer, there's going to be so much more. So you guys will see what I mean after we're totally done with them. Okay, now I got my nice just little frays done. As you guys can see, like I said, it's going to look a lot more frayed too after I put it in the washer, so I don't want to go too crazy. But now if you already figured out where you want your rips, you're going to go ahead and cut them. I already know where I want mine, even though I didn't make the lines. And you're just going to pinch it, put a hole. I found that it's easier to start with a small one and do a bunch of holes, because then it makes it just a little bit easier to actually pull the thread out. So now, as you can see, I have literally 4 little lines right here. And then all you're going to do is start at your first one, take your tweezers, and just start pulling out the little blue. That's one of them. That's why you normally want to cut a bunch of smaller lines, to make it just a little bit easier. But once they start coming out, you can pull quite a few of them out at a time. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're trucking now. So I'm going to keep working on this, and I'll be back to show you the next step, because it's pretty tedious. So I would either listen to my favorite podcast or start watching my favorite TV show while doing this. Okay guys, so as you can tell, I got a really nice start, and I just want to show you guys again how much easier it is once you actually get going. So guys, this is the end of one of my lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep pulling these out till I reach the end of my top line, and then, just to show you real fast while there's a few of them here, I'm going to pull these through like so, and you can either leave them, or I like to trim them a little bit. Okay guys, so now that this is done, we're going to add just a little bit more fraying. So this is really the only aggressive patch I want. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and just make a few small little itty bitty cuts. And I'm not gonna fray those ones because all that's gonna happen is when I wash them, they're gonna kind of just fray themselves out a little bit. So I know you guys can't see them, but I added 3 little ones right here by the pocket. And then I'm gonna go over here and I just want to cut kind of just a little bit of this top off right here. It's just gonna kind of do the same thing, allow it to fray when I wash them. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go pop these bad boys in the washer so you can really see them fray and these little marks that I know you can't see right now. And that is pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, so here you have it. This is the final product. As you can see, the spot that I ripped really got ripped. The bottom really frayed out a lot more. The bottom really frayed out a lot more after you put it in the washer and dryer. And these little sides over here where I told you all you have to do is cut a little line, they really kind of roughed up. So yeah, super easy. All you have to do is really cut and wash and dry, which is nice. Easy way to make your own distressed denim, which I love. Guys, congratulations to Celeste, who is the winner of our giveaway. If you guys want to find out our other winners, go check out our social medias. I will put them in the I will put them in the description box below. And if you haven't already, go on ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because as you know, it means so much to me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.